I'm getting pissed off. What did I do wrong? Did I do something wrong? Wait a minute. Cause I still gotta add the legs. Hello, Satan. Boy, come here. Okay, ready? Ow! Okay. Say hi. Hey. Okay, guys. Today we're planning on building a stand for my vinyl record player because the little guy keeps messing with it and he messed it up already. So I got this thing from IKEA and probably gonna make it into a stand. Ugh. This thing. So I'm gonna build it up right now. Move everything towards this corner. I'm planning on putting it in this corner over here. And it's kind of tall. It's gonna be maybe, I don't know, his height, I guess. Maybe it'll stop him from playing with it, because right now he's like at hip level. So he like easily grabs the stylus and he pushes it down at a time. And currently he messed up my needle and now I gotta replace the cartridge, get a new needle and move everything to that corner. So yeah, let's get to building. Okay, let's start opening this up. But the reason I got this IKEA one is because I got this IKEA and I wanted something to match it, and I think it's the same color actually, same style. Let's take piece by piece out. 1, 2, 3. The dividers. Thank you, boy. One of the shelves here. Thank you. Okay, look. Let's read the instructions. That's it. Oh, okay. Alright guys, I'm not gonna bore you too much with this because I'm getting pissed off. So I'm gonna put it all together in anger and I'll show you guys the aftermath. Okay, this is the finished product. It didn't take too long after, but so my plan is to, organize my records from here and put the record player on top. And then I think I'm gonna put this LED light over here on top in the corner. So I think that's gonna be my plan. And I don't think he could reach the record player from that high. I doubt it, but let's give it a shot. Alright, so now I finished organizing my records. So I think hopefully he's not gonna reach it. He's been trying to play with it, but he could only reach the records so far. Where are the records? There you go. You saw my record player, where it's at? Or you don't know where it is? No? So hopefully this is the solution. Make it kid-proof, at least for now, until he grows a little taller. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps someone else with a kid that loves to play with record players. But yeah, IKEA, and then this the stands are actually separate. These stands, I bought them so it could be a little taller. They come separately, and yeah, hope that actually helps someone out. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you later.